Welcome to this video about how to purchase funnel scripts in 2022. So therefore you can just click the first link in the video description below. This link takes you to the order page of Funnel Scripts Unlimited, and you can buy Funnel Scripts Unlimited for a one-time payment of $797. And included in Funnel Scripts Unlimited are the .com secret scripts, the expert secret scripts, the one funnel away scripts, the funnel script blueprints. You have access to the live monthly coaching with Jim. Plus you have furthermore access to the copywriting secrets masterclass, plus all other scripts, which are in total over 60 plus scripts. And yeah, so this link is an affiliate link, so I'll receive a commission inside if you decide to buy funnel scripts through my link. And yeah, this is a one-time payment, so there are guaranteed no future payments ever. And you have an unlimited account, so it's a lifetime account. You have unlimited scripts, unlimited updates, and that's pretty much it. In case you have any questions about that, you can write them down in the comments below. I hope I could help you with this video, and the first link takes you to this page here. Yeah, I wish you a great day, and bye bye.